Sa ating Vice Mayor G, at mga kapwa kawani sa pamahalang lungsod, lalo na sa ating UDM family, si Pelma, sa unang liderato ng aming paralan, at ang aming partner sa national government. Thank you very much. Ardi, Iwaya, o sa atin lahat kayo, maraming salamat at kami pinagtutuunan ninyo ng pansin yung aming mga nasasakupan na mabigyan ng mga ekwipo kung saan or in line with the city's goal to continue to invest and address MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. And as of today, we have produced through the leadership of Jay De La Puente sa ating MDCC na graduates, about 1,700 individuals in the last 6 months. They were given knowledge and skills so that they can use it in the real world and make a living. And recently, as you all know already, a team of Manila and also national government's team through BPI, or Lipo yun Bank of Philippine Islands, Bureau Plans and Industry, wherein I am now looking to do something. Maybe initially will benefit from it, but I believe that the next generation, the next person who will speak before this podium, the next person who will sit in that corner, or any person in the future can come up on how to help the country as a city, as a highly urbanized city in food production program. Because food insecurity is #1 threat to national security. So that's why your city government went to, and thanks to Singapore government and RP, or Republic Polytechnic, and ITE. We've learned a lot of things, and with that also, the Secretary Kiko, is very excited. In fact, yesterday, galing dito yung mga taga-DA, yung ASEC at USEC, na-excite sila doon sa idea on food production, but it needs a lot of skills. While we're going to adopt maybe an Israeli technology, the help of DA, resources, little resources of the city, plus individuals that we can teach. So that yun nga, magkaroon ng maayos na playbook na pwedeng maging pangmatagalang gabay ng mga susunod na generasyon. But for now, today, we are very grateful to Tesla family. On behalf of the people of Manila, thank you very much sa tulong. Totoo naman si Jay, saka si Pelma, maraming naman silang gamit. At siya naman ang pakikinabangan ng mga bata ng Manila. In fact, again, if I may add, kaya nalit ako ng 15 minutes, I traveled all the way from Marikina. Di po ako nagkamali ng City Hall. Tawa ko Marikina because we have underutilized resources and in line with our direction. At mabigyan pa, hindi lang pagkalinga, kasi ang binibigay natin doon, kalinga at pagmamahal lamang sa mga napawalay na bata sa kanilang magulang or unloved individuals by their parents. We show them love and care and compassion. At lalo na sa ating mga minamahal, paboritong senior citizen, matitikas pa. Mukhang binabayaan sila ng kanilang mga mahal sa buhay, kaya minamahal sila ng syudad ng Maynila doon sa ating pasilidad. So we will update you from time to time, produce our own food for them, protein and veggies. Just imagine, you use your imagination, because nowadays it is not impossible. If they build it in the desert,